Yo, what is happening? What's up, everyone? My name is Ukrama and I'm a dentist. Is this some sort of magic or what? I'll tell you what they're actually using, and it's a very useful device. I'm not too sure if it's actually that much powerful, but yeah, it looks like an ad. Effectively clean up food residues. So basically, they're using a water flosser, and while it is true that a water flosser is helpful for all look at that result, and they will show you how they clean from the inside. So it's true that water flossers help to clean in between the teeth and also the surfaces of teeth. I'm not too sure if it's that much powerful. It looks like they had some either really superficial stains that are easy to clean, or I'm not sure, because that looked like they completely washed off everything. That's not necessarily how it works. Oh, look at it from the inside. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching. My name is Dr. Mo, dentist. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow the channel.